To open the fridge, locate the release button on the top right of the door. Push in and pull. When closing, push until you hear it click back into place. To turn on the fridge, press the power button until the panel illuminates. If you're a mains hookup, select electric. If you don't have mains hookup, select gas. Once on, it will take about 3 to 4 hours to get down to temperature. Before driving, switch the power source to the battery option. Once the engine is running, a current will then be supplied directly from the alternator, which will maintain the temperature of the fridge whilst on the move. Note the warning light will flash and beep until the engine has been turned on. Adjust the temperature of the fridge by pressing the button with the thermometer symbol on it until you've reached your preferred choice. Note the warning button will beep and flash red if you select a power source that isn't available. To turn off the fridge, press and hold the power button until the blue lights go off.